peanut butter, banana, chocolate peanut butter, and some strawberries. Not done yet. Wow, bon appetit. And that's it. So good and so easy to make. Mmm.